another video for me. Right now it's raining, and I am out in the rain when it's raining. Can you guys believe that? It is raining so much. Yeah. And it's raining tacos all over the sky. Tacos. It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos. It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos. Oof. Hey guys. I don't know. Hey, wait, the sun! The sun is right there. So, oh wait. Yeah, it's coming up, I think. No, wait, never mind. It's closing up. Okay. $1 million. Hey guys, knock knock. Banana split. Why did the banana go to the doctors? Because banana split in his face. I'm bored. It's raining boredom out of the sky. Boredom. It's raining boredom. Comment down below what you guys are going to do to Friday. What are you going to guys do on Friday? Comment that down below. Yeah. I'm bored. The bus is coming. And what bus I'm going on? That bus. That one right there. So yeah, I'm bored. Nothing to do. Just bored. What time is it? Oh, it's 3:9. Well, I'm gonna end the video. Peace out.